What if I told you that you can create a realistic AI influencer from scratch, completely for free, and start monetizing it even with 0 followers? Most people still don't realize how easy it is to build a full AI influencer brand today. Starting from just a single base image, you can generate unlimited high-quality photos of your AI avatar, placing her in any location, any scenario, wearing any outfit, doing literally anything you imagine. And the best part? The competition is still extremely low. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to build your own AI influencer from scratch and how to turn it into a monthly income system. We'll also set up our monetization account on a platform that allows AI influencers to earn from exclusive content. And lastly, I'll show you how to create short-form 15-30-second reels that bring your AI character to life and attract attention. Sounds interesting, right? Let's get started.
Before we create our AI influencer, you first need to decide on the niche you want to focus on. It could be health and fitness, finance, lifestyle, or any other niche you're interested in. These are some of the most popular and trending niches right now. Personally, I'm more interested in lifestyle content, so that's the niche I'll be focusing on for this tutorial. But don't worry, the exact same process works for any niche you choose. First, we're going to create our influencer's image and identity. I'll head over to Pinterest and search for a female influencer that I can use as a reference. There are so many cool styles and varieties to choose from, so I'll scroll through and pick one that matches the vibe I want. Once I find the perfect one, I'll save it to my PC. Next, I'll open my Chrome browser, search for Google Flow, and click on the first result. It brings us right here. Don't worry, I'll leave links to all the websites I use in the description below. So this is the Google Flow interface. They actually give you 100 free credits every month to get started, which is awesome. Click on New Project, and it brings us here. Now click this icon, and you'll see all these different options and aspect ratios. Since we'll mainly be creating reels and short-form content, we'll go with 9:16. Make sure it's set to image this time and leave it at 1 image so we don't waste credits. Then set the model to Nana Banana Pro. Next, click here to upload the reference photo. After that, copy this prompt, I'll leave it in the description as well, and feel free to tweak it to match your own style. Paste it here and then hit send. It'll start generating, and boom, our AI influencer has officially come to life. This actually looks super realistic. You can see the details and overall quality are really impressive. So now I'll click here to download it. Now we want to create different variations of our influencer to add more variety to the content. Because let's be honest, nobody wants to follow a boring influencer. We want our AI influencer to constantly entertain viewers with fresh content, which helps us attract more subscribers, more views, and even potential brand deals. So here's how we'll do that. I'll head over to this website called Arena AI, click on the first link, and sign in. Once we're inside the interface, click here and set it to Direct. Then click this drop-down and select Image. You'll notice there are a bunch of interesting image models you can use for free, including Google Banana Pro, Gemini Pro, Seed Dream 2.0, and others. For this tutorial, I'll be using Google Banana Pro. Now upload the AI influencer image we just generated. For the prompt, I'll head over to ChatGPT and type this. Can you give me an image prompt I can use to generate this lifestyle influencer in 9 different sophisticated, rich outfits? Then click Send. ChatGPT gives us 9 different prompts. I'll copy them, head back to Arena AI, and type Create a 9-image grid of the same character for this prompt. Then I'll paste in the prompts from ChatGPT. Also include the aspect ratio 9:16 and click Send. It starts generating, and here's our final result. You can see our AI influencer in different locations wearing different outfits, and honestly, it looks super cool. Now we have multiple base images to work with. You can use a normal Windows image editor to crop out each individual frame and save them as separate images. But usually when you do that, some of the images lose quality. So what I normally do is head over to this website and use their AI Image Enhancer feature. As you can see, the website is free and gives daily credits. Simply upload the image you want to enhance, click Enhance, and here's our newly improved high-quality image. Then just repeat the same process for all the other images. Now let's create our Fanvue account. This is how we're going to start making money. To get started, click the link in my description. And if you sign up through my link, you'll get free access to Fanvue's official onboarding course and 100% of your earnings for the first 7 days, with 0 platform fees deducted. This is a special bonus from Fanvue for my viewers, and they're also the official sponsor of this video. Once you sign up, complete your email verification, and it'll bring you right here to the Start Earning page. Fill in your username. Don't worry, you can always edit it later. Then set your subscription price. You can choose anything from $3.99 up to $100, but I'll keep mine at $5 for now. Then click Continue. Next, we need to verify our identity. You can do this right away, and once that's completed, the first thing we'll do is add a profile photo and banner for the influencer we created. First, I'll upload our profile picture here. This is one of the 9 grid images we generated earlier. Now we need to create a banner, but I don't know the exact banner size, so I'll quickly take a screenshot and upload it to ChatGPT. I'll ask ChatGPT to create a clean, attractive banner for me. While the banner is generating, let's edit our profile. Create a name for your influencer, then the handle, choose a location, I'll set mine to Nigeria, and then write a short description. You can even ask ChatGPT to help you create one. I'll keep this short description simple for now and click Save. And just like that, our banner is ready. I'll upload it here, and it's set. Honestly, this is looking really clean and professional. Our account is almost fully set up and ready to start earning. You can also click here to complete your profile. Over here, you'll see all the useful tools: creator tools, earnings and payouts, wallet, and more. Now for creating a new post, you have the option to make it available for subscribers only or for both followers and subscribers. So for our first video post, I'll show you 2 methods. The first is a paid but super easy method. We'll use this website called Top View AI. Click on AI UGC video and you'll see tons of interesting AI influencer avatar templates to choose from: product and e-commerce, health and wellness, lifestyle, and more. Under Lifestyle, I'll pick a video that looks interesting. I think I like this one. I'll copy the prompt that was used to generate it, then click Image and go to Storyboard. Come over here and upload one of the reference images of the influencer we generated earlier, paste the prompt, select the 9:16 aspect ratio, choose 4K resolution, leave it at 9 images, and then click Send. It'll start generating, and here are our storyboard images of the influencer. I'm happy with how this looks, so I'll click Generate Video, and now it's creating the final video. And here is our finished video.
I make drug, embodying on the touch. Pull a word, it amazing on a touch. If you dang have it up, really real him at the judge. Get a chime on a million of funks. I sell me off to my dead sons. You can't get a big girls, the bucks down.
Isn't this amazing? So for the free video generation method, just head back to Google Flow, switch the mode to video, select the 9:16 aspect ratio, leave it at 1 video, and choose VO 3.1 Fast, which only uses 20 credits. Then upload one of your influencer images and paste in this prompt. Don't worry, I'll leave all the prompts I used in the description below. And here's our final video, looking really good. Finally, head back to Fanvue, upload your video, and you can either schedule it or add it to a collection before clicking Create Post. And that's it. You're all set to start posting and earning. To get started, click the link in my description. And don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.